how to view locked chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking the avatar icon at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the apps right here, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and type WhatsApp and double check if the WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and open up the WhatsApp, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead, in order to view a locked chat, you need to lock chat first. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to this chat, for example, click on their name at the top, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and lock the chat, and then keep this chat locked and hidden, and confirm with your facial ID, and basically get back to your chat. And if you want to see your locked chats, just scroll up to see, and you'll be able to see right here with your locked chats, and you're gonna be able to it's gonna be appearing to you right here. And if you want to unlock it, click on their name and basically unlock chat, and this chat will be unlocked. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.